Today I'm going to show you how to use a paper towel roll to create an abstract sculpture. Abstract just means it doesn't have to look real, so you can make it look like whatever you want. If you want to make it look kind of like something, like this might look a little bit like an animal or an alien with antenna or something. So you guys can play around. I will show you what to do to get started on this. Okay, to do this little sculpture project, you just need an empty paper towel roll, or you could use toilet paper tubes. Everybody's been hoarding the toilet paper, so hopefully you have some, but when you use up a roll, you can just use that empty tube. You might want 2 of them so that you have enough, but 1 might even work too if you're not making a big sculpture. You need a pair of scissors and you need some Elmer's glue. There are several different ways that you can cut through your paper towel roll or toilet paper tube. You can kind of squish it down and just cut straight through the whole thing. Get yourself some different rings like that. I'm going to make a few of those. Kind of bounce them back into their round shape. So you can make something out of those. You could come in at an angle and you can kind of cut around just at enough of an angle. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut this off too, right here. And I'm going to cut that all the way around. And then I get kind of a spiral from that. So you can play around with some spirals. You could, let's cut up another piece. You could cut strips. Make a big flat piece. You could cut little strips off of it. Different sizes, different lengths. I could cut this way too and have slightly curved strips. But you can just cut out some different pieces. Let's keep this one like this. And then I'm actually going to just stop here and play with what I have. Figure out different ways that you can glue them together to turn it into something that looks cool. So when you're gluing, you just need a dot of glue. I always say dots, not lots. So 1 dot of glue. Put this down where you want it to be glued. You can adjust it for a little bit and then hold it between your fingers and count to 15. 15 is the magic number. It makes the glue dry enough that it holds on its own, but it's not completely dry, so if you do need to fix something, you can still pull it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's the magic number. If that number does not work, you either didn't use enough glue or you used too much. So now I can come in and add some other little things to my little sculpture here. I don't know what it's going to look like. I'm just kind of improvising to make something abstract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's do maybe one of my loops. I'm going to trim this little piece off right here. Put one of my little loops up top. So again, remember, just a dot of glue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And let's see where to put this one. dot. All right. I still have some other pieces that I want to play around with. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put them. I'm just going to keep playing. I put a little bit too much glue down that time. See how it's leaking over the sides? It's getting on my fingers. Kind of starting to look like an animal head with antlers or something. I was able to use that curved piece that was left over as kind of a base so it's standing up on its own. I don't know if I put this up on top here, hopefully it'll still be balanced and won't fall over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Still standing. That's fun. All right, I got these other little pieces. I'm not sure where I can put them. I kind of like it the way it is. So I'm just going to leave these out and stop right here. So, just an idea of something that you can do. And you guys can, if you have scissors and glue and an empty toilet paper or paper towel roll, you guys can give this a shot and see what kind of abstract sculpture you can make.